Trying to get down this slippery driveway. Follow my husband. He's got Max out with him. Trying to keep him so he listens. My husband said he's only had to spank him one time so far, which is a good thing. Max will be a year old in July. He's a half black lab, German shepherd, and pointer cross. Now that my husband's been working out again, he says those buckets are like his dumbbells. And I said, well, your dumbbells are 45 pounds each. That's what those should weigh, roughly. The sunshine. Odessa does not like dogs, my love. She never has. Yeah, she tries to kill them, actually.
Oh.
Silly dog. My girls actually realized I was out. Goodness, this is gonna give me a lot of workout. Walking up and down this, up and down this. I can only carry a half of a bucket, which it does help out, but my husband only let me do maybe like 2 to 3, and then he tells me I'm done. With having rheumatoid arthritis and having seronegative multiple sclerosis and having an inflammation eye disease, it tears your body up. Man, look at these holes and ruts in the...
Where's the bone, boy? Where's the bone at, boy? Huh? Where's the bone, boy? Get the bone, boy. You need a drink? Huh?
Stay down.
I would let you out too, but both of you ain't gonna mind. Not yet. He's a boy, man. Yeah. Yeah, he likes to go with the water, don't you? Just a little run here. Yeah. 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 That's okay, boy. No, don't spill my bucket. Try to make your time last longer. Huh? You can get a drink, good boy. Okay, good boy, man. You can have a cup of drink. All right. All right. Come on, man.
Let's see if I can do this again. It's so fun. You know, it is so hard to keep up with your husband when he walks 50 miles an hour and you only walk 2. Yep, you guys see me, I'm in a pullover, but I got a long sleeve shirt on and long johns underneath this. It's actually not that bad of a day because the sun has been shining most of the day today, and then we're under a ice storm, rain, flood wash. Ooh, about woman down there. It starts as of tomorrow and then runs through Wednesday. So today is February 15th, and we'll go see the animals. Zeus! Zeus! Boy! Hey! I know you see the dog, don't you? Oh, he's stomping the ground.
Yeah, he don't like me either.
Oh, I've never seen him act that way before.
He don't like me.
Wow.
Hey, man.
Look, he's stomping the ground.
He's trying to show him.
Yeah, he's forewarning him. Zeus! Was he okay, boy? He's alright. Dog ain't gonna hurt ya. No. Look at the girls. They're all like, Adessa, she's very aggressive, the dogs. Let me do real quick here. See the donkeys. Jack's still a little under the weather with him being foundered. And then Miss Jill there is just putting on weight, and that's what we're hoping. Just to get her some more weight put on her, and then we can start training her. Because she's going to be our riding donkey. Zeus. Zeus. He's such a handsome boy. Yes. So you left your waddles on Cal's son and Ariel's daughter. Yeah. You did. I'm going to see Miss Pregnant Cherry real quick. Cherry. What you doing, girl? Huh? What you doing? For everybody that's new, this is my daughter's mare. She's a 10-year-old draft quarter horse cross, bred back to a line bred 42% 3 bars quarter horse. And then this is Hercules, my husband's Mustang. He's a 5-year-old from Maverick Medicine. Or he's a coming 6-year-old actually. But according to the dentist, he was born in December, so he wouldn't be 6 till then. And then here's my husband's other horse, Meg. She is a coming 3-year-old, Bay Roan. She's getting better at not being so nippy, well, nipping. And she is a Bay Roan. She should be all white. And there's, she's from Lost Creek, Wyoming. And this is my little mare here, Diamond. She is from Antelope Valley. My little Grula mare. I've always wanted a Grula. And there she is. Her just so pretty. Yes, she is. And she's a beauty queen. Meg, I just want to check, make sure you're not getting rubbed on. I know Diamond's good. But that is all our animals. So now we'll go inside and call this video good. And we will prepare for this wetness that they're claiming we're supposed to be getting. And it's almost time for me to go live. Anyways, I gotta make my husband's dinner plate and then call it good. And then I'll be on live with everybody for Ariel's full labor birth of her twins. And we will, like I said, prepare for this flood flash warm weather we got the next 2 days in the 40s, so everything obviously is going to melt, and then we're good down into the 20s at night, so it possibly could freeze and then remelt. It's just going to be a mess. My fingers are getting a little cold. I can feel the air is like, it doesn't feel quite as warm as it did earlier. but the sun is going down, so that would be why. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Welcome to our YouTube family. We love that you guys have subscribed. Please like and share this video so we can gain more subscribers. We're hoping to get to that 2,000 subscriber count. I think we're at 1,560 right now. So, I mean, every subscriber helps us get closer. So, thank you again. Stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow. God bless.